Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. If you are new, and if you're not, thanks for returning. Today we have a straight lace wig from Ishow hair. I love it, came out flawless. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then make sure you stay tuned. Here we have the packaging from Ishow hair. Excuse the box, the UPS man has no respect for my packaging. And it came with a light brown wig cap. It's too light for me, but it works for you if you're lighter than me. And of course, this is the wig. It looks so great. It's flowy. And here's the lace. The lace is super transparent and it's on the lighter side. So if you're a little bit darker than me, you're going to want to get darker lace. And the wig does come pre-plucked. Knots are actually not bleached, so I bleached those off camera. And here is a close-up of that parting space and the combs you see that comes with the wig. Here I already installed the wig and I'm just now taking off the scarf and seeing how it's looking. Okay, so far so good. I put some of the baby hairs in the front already off camera. That kind of helps to make the wig stay if it's lifting. So I don't know how exactly I'm gonna style this. I kind of want to wear it up like a cute little bun. We will see. First, let's do these baby hairs. It's gonna take some styling moves. This is gonna help take away that white contrast here from that blue. I'm gonna style these. We aren't gonna make them perfect just yet. I usually make them perfect at the end. I just get an idea of how I want the baby hairs to look. Now we're gonna take the wax butter, my favorite. It smells so good. And we are going to flatten the top part of this frontal and then figure out what kind of style I'm gonna do. Y'all, we got the hair laid in the front. Now we are just going to take some argan oil and spray it throughout this hair. And now I'm not going to need any more oil. I am just going to straighten this hair and just use some thicker sections. So here is the final look. I absolutely love it. I decided to switch it up and do a side part. It looks super cute and natural. I love this wig. Now what I would say is this wig is on the thinner side, so I believe it's like 130% density. So it's not super full, but it's good because it's super hot right now. It's summertime and you don't want too much hair going on, and it does help to make the wig look more natural. But to be honest, I would get like at least 150% density or 180% density just so I can make this a little bit more full. But the hair is really soft, it's long, it's 24 inches. It comes down to almost my waist, like this last little piece. And what else can I say? Oh, I just love it. I don't know, I already said it's soft, but it really is soft. Like, look at it. I can just run my fingers through it. It doesn't shed or tangle. It did come pre-plucked, but I plucked it a little bit more. It didn't take me really long. It took me like another 10 minutes to just pluck it and get it flawless. You really just want to pluck any wig you get, whether it's pre-plucked or not, just so you can make sure that the wig matches your hairline and just get it super flowy. Let me show you guys the back of the wig, okay? So again, I said it's 24 inches. It flows. I even put oil in this hair and it looks good. This hair did come with 13x4 parting space, so it's smaller on the side. The parting space stops like right here in the middle, and then it kind of, you know, shortens on the side. So if you want to do a side part, it looks really good like this, but I would have loved if it had a 13x6 parting space just so it can go a little bit further. But Ishow hair has different options where you can get different parting spaces. So it's up to you what you like. If 13x4 works for you, then it would work. You know, the good thing about 13x4 wigs is that it's on the cheaper side, and 13x6 is a little bit more expensive. So if you don't like this little parting, just get you a 13x6, but trust me, 13x4 would work for you. So I want to thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, always showing me support. I love you guys. We're almost at 20K. If you haven't already, make sure you guys, you know, share this video, let your friends know about Makeup X Daisy, because you know I slay these wigs, okay? I do them just for you guys. I want to thank you so much for your support, and Ishow hair for sending me this hair. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support, give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And until my next video, bye!